you will see how to use the Address Overview tool in the Simatic Hardware Configuration Editor. Select your station and double-click Hardware. Of course, you can highlight a station in the Overview window to see the module's addresses in the Details window. To see the address overview for all devices and modules in all stations and subnets, select the View menu. Choose Address Overview. Let's stretch the window for a better view. By default, both inputs and outputs will be displayed. You can filter by removing a check from the box. In the Type field, you see if the device or module is input or output. Next is the beginning address followed by the end address. Then, what the module or device is, followed by the process image the device is assigned to, such as OB1. If the device is on a Profibus, then DP network with DP address is in parentheses, followed by a Profinet PN network and the device number in parentheses. Or is the device part of the Foundation Fieldbus system, followed by the number of devices in parentheses. Next, what rack is it in, what slot is it in, and if it is an interface module or an interface port, and which module slot or port number it is. If you put a check in the box next to address gaps, the address range gaps will be shown. This concludes the video on the Address Overview tool in the Simatic Hardware Configuration Editor.